Welcome back, HARBRO, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. We're knocking them out, but now we have all 10 days leaked. All 10 days leaked. We're going to go over it right now. If you find these useful, please consider liking and subscribing. And let's just go ahead and jump in. They took a picture with a potato boat. This is courtesy of Reddit. It's on Reddit. I'll have it linked in the description. Give credit where credit is due. And of course, here we go. Day 1, 40% off Icon. We did that. Day 2, 30% off Earthquake XT going on today. Day 3, 35% off all Matics going on Sunday, tomorrow, 5/3. We just released day 4, 35% off all Franklin carts. And now we will focus in on day 5, 45% off all ammo boxes, 25% off all chainsaws and pole saws. To the HARBROs that were commenting, waiting for the chainsaw days, 25% off is pretty solid. 45% off all ammo boxes, 25% off all chainsaw and pole saws, tool only. Day 6, 5/6, Icon 3/8 inch flex click torque wrench at $99, $100 basically, limit 1. So the HARBROs were right. It was a 3/8 inch click torque wrench. It is only the Quinn 61 piece. We were hoping maybe for an all Quinn sale, but Quinn 61 piece half-inch drive impact socket set. Looks like it says it's a little bit harder to tell, harder to see. What's the regular price on that for the Quinn? It's a $180 for the half-inch. And is that $99.99? We'll do the math. We'll do a little bit of a deep dive. Looks like it's $99.99. HARBROs, you tell me. Day 7, Icon 8-piece precision snap ring pliers at, what is it? I believe that's $39.99, limit 1. So they do have limits on these. Yukon 36 inch 5-drawer rolling tool cabinet. If you can read that, I think that might be $249.99, but that's the new Yukon. So we'll look at that again. Day 8, 5/8, $50 off either the Bauer or Hercules 5 amp hour 2-pack battery bundles. So $50 off of either one. We got that one right. 30% off all corded Bauer and Hercules, which we got right as well, 30% off. Then day 9, 5/9, Daytona 4-ton professional floor jack with rapid pump at $160, limit 1. And then the Pittsburgh 2-ton steel low profile floor jack with rapid pump at $83.99, limit 1. That one was in the new non-Will Smith Harbor Freight video. And then day 10, 35% off all Badland winches, which they've done before, but still nice to see. So those are the 10 days of deals. Let's go slowly through them and we'll check them out. So we've done the first 4 days. We'll go to deal of the day 5 on 5/5, 45% off all ammo boxes. So we'll start there. Ammo boxes. There's 5 of them. There's the Bunker Hill, which they're going to do a free gift next weekend. So just a heads up, free gift is better than 35% off or 45% off. 45% off. Let's see, 45% off ammo boxes. That's pretty good. They do 50% off on sales, like parking lot sales, or I think it's mostly parking lot sales for the ammo boxes. So 45% off makes sense. I like that they're doing it. And this includes Bunker Hill, but of course, all of them. So here we have the 50 caliber ammo can. This is metal, $20. So it's going to be just over $10 at 45% off. Get it for $11. $11 for the 50 caliber metal can. For the 30 caliber can, get it down to $7.15. And then of course, the rest, $12, $9 respectively. And then Bunker Hill Security 30 caliber at $6, but this is going to be free gift this coming weekend. So that's the ammo box, 45% off. Then we have 25% off all chainsaws and pole saws, tool only. So we won't do the whole deep dive here. We'll just go over, but we had these up. There's 13 different chainsaws. So we'll just do maybe the first couple, the Atlas and the Portland. The Atlas is at $185. And if you get that at 25% off, get that down to $138.75. And then the Atlas 80 volt brushless is $150. And at 25% off, get it down to $112. So almost $40 worth of savings, but a few options: pole saws, Bauer chainsaws, the mini shrub. Oh no, this is the pruning saw, which is nice. HARBROs have said it's great. $65, get that 25% off. So some decent options. Let's keep looking. We have Icon 3/8 flex click torque wrench, $99.99, limit 1, the 3/8 inch Icon alert, $140. So we're saving $40. So $40 off of $140. 28% off, almost 29% off. So decent deal. We've seen better discounts during torque sales torque wrench sales, up to 35% off, I believe, if not more, up to 40% off. So at 29% off, if you need it, you can get it now. It's not a bad deal, but they have been deeper discounted than that. $99.99 limit one. Then we have the Quinn 61-piece drive compact impact socket set. I believe that says $99.99. Someone used their Eagle Vision. So let's just say it's $99.99 for the half-inch drive SAE Metric Master impact socket set 61-piece. $80 off. $80 off of $180 is a killer deal. I hope I'm reading that right. 44% off, basically almost 45% off the 61-piece half-inch drive impact master impact socket set 61-piece. Again, I hope I'm reading that right. It looks like there's only 4 digits there, right? What could it be? If anything, it's less. It's less than $99, but $99.99 for the Quinn. Then we have Day 7 Icon 8-piece snap ring pliers at $40. Let's do the math. $40. It's priced at $73. So that's $32 off. $33 off of $73. 45% off the snap ring pliers 8-piece. 45% off for some Icon. Again, let's make sure we're reading this right. $39.99 limit one. So a huge discount on the snap ring pliers from Icon. 45% over 45% off. We keep going. Then brand new Yukon 36-inch by 18-inch 5-drawer rolling tool cabinet in red, black, or blue. $330 normally compared to Cobalt. And this is another one that looks, that's a little bit tricky here. It looks like it's $249.99. I mean, if that can look like anything, just blur. $249.99 is what we're gonna guess. And let's see what that comes out to. $249.99. So let's just say $250. Well, we gotta do some math here. Minus $330. So you're saving $80. So $80 off of $330. 24% off. 24% off, which is close to storage days for US General. Storage days tend to be 25% off. But this is their brand new Yukon cart, 5-drawer rolling tool cabinet, red, blue, or black. It's 25% off for a brand new tool, and you're not going to get any save 25% off unless you're getting it in the email. That's the only one you can get. But the ones that are available for everybody are only 15%. So this is an excellent time if you were eyeballing this one. Get it for $249.99, assuming our eyes are right here. But still, we know what the deal is now. Deal 8, $50 off of either Bauer or Hercules battery kits. So just $50 off. They're both priced at exactly the same thing, which is a little bit surprising. I don't know if they just changed I feel like this was updated. I thought the Bauer battery packs were cheaper, but now they're $50 off. So $50 off of $135. 37% off. 37% off. $135 minus $50. You get them for $85, which is close to what we're used to seeing them when they go on sale. So good deal there. And then they're combining it with a corded sanders promotion. Corded sanders promotion, 30% off all corded Bauer and Hercules sanders. So that's one. The most expensive one was the edge belt and spindle sander, 30% off. They're well, that one's $200, but so is the Bauer disc sander. So $200 at 30% off, saving $60. $60 off of these. The Bauer drywall sander, this goes on sale often. 30% off, save almost $50. Get it down to $105. If you're going with if you're looking for the Hercules, the random orbit palm sander at $55. 30% off is $38.50. Save just under $20. And those are the sanders, 30% off. All sanders, instant savings Hercules. Stack the deals, already down 11% down to $40. And at $40, you get it down to $28. $28. Excellent savings on some sanders. Then the Daytona 4-ton professional floor jack with rapid pump, $270. This is the 4-ton Daytona with rapid pump. And they're getting it down to $159.99 limit one. So at $160, we're saving $110. $110 off of $270. 40% off, 41% off. Now, I think there has been price increases on these floor jacks, but 41% off is an excellent deal. Excellent deal. Get it down to $159.99 limit one again. So that's the 4-ton, black, blue, green, or orange. Excellent deal. And then this one we did see in the cart, the 2-ton low profile from Pittsburgh with rapid pump, 140. We didn't know the deal though, but that's going to be down to $83.99. $83.99 for a 2-ton for any small cart. That's awesome. It makes it easier. It's not aluminum, but it's a 2-ton, so it's going to be a little bit lighter than the 3-ton. It just makes it easier to lug around. So $83.99, so 140. You're saving $56. $56 savings, 40% off. So close to those unicorn days where it was 40% off of all floor jacks. Maybe one day we'll see that again. I don't think so. 40% off on the 2-ton. So excellent deal. And then the last one is all Badland winches. Apex being the higher end than the ZXR. $600 if you happen to go with the Badland Apex. It's going to be 35% off. We won't go through them all. We'll save that for the deep dive, but 35% off of $600. Get the 12,000 pound winch with synthetic rope and wireless remote down to $390. So save over $200. Save over $200 is ridiculous. And then of course you have all the winches available. And those are the 10 days of deals. Those are the 10 days of deals. Let me know what the HARBROs think. We'll keep doing the deep dives as they come out, but I'll leave it at that, HARBROs. Happy harbor freighting, happy shopping. Good luck out there. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.